With Analytic Solver, you're not just adopting a tool, you're transforming how your mill manages cutting processes with precision and efficiency. The challenge of cutting larger materials into smaller, precisely sized pieces to meet market demands while minimizing waste is a common issue across manufacturing industries. Analytic Solver simplifies this complex challenge. Consider a facility producing panels in large standard sizes. Market demands often require these panels to be cut into various smaller sizes. Analytic Solver helps you determine the optimal way to divide these panels, minimizing waste while meeting all customer requirements. Solving this efficiently requires advanced planning and calculations. With Analytic Solver, you can model this problem in just a few simple steps within Excel. A single click generates optimal results, reducing waste, enhancing production efficiency, and driving sustainability. Take it further with Excel VBA to customize models and automate repetitive tasks. This feature enhances productivity and reduces errors, tailoring solutions to your specific operational needs. Analytic Solver integrates seamlessly into Excel, offering a short learning curve and immediate operational benefits. Download Analytic Solver now and join a free webinar to see how it can transform your cutting strategy and streamline your operations.